Hi guys, welcome to Trade View. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and support and watch my old videos and get some basic knowledges that will be useful for the beginners and who are all already in the share market experienced traders. Please give me your feedbacks and suggestions for my channel to improve further. And basically, I'm providing this market report and next day pre-market levels on my channel. So please follow my channel and get some ideas and work on your own strategy and trade on with your own decisions. Okay, that will be the more important because don't take someone decision suggestions on your trade because that's your investment, your money. Okay, just take it as suggestions and analyze on your own idea and take tradings regularly with strict stop loss. Okay. So today going to talk about the same topic, stop loss. So who are the beginners not aware of about this stop loss? So hence I am converting this video in English. So please make a note of it. Okay. So what is stop loss in the share market while trading? So it is simple. Okay. It's stopping your loss. That's it. Okay. So whenever you are start buying some levels in Nifty or Bank Nifty or stocks, okay, if market in your trend, that's not an issue. You'll get good profits or less profits, okay. But it start reversing, okay. If you are not noted or if you are waiting for the levels to retracement, reverse anything, then it will give you huge losses or wash out your capital, okay. So to protect this, it will be act as a like a protecting our like insurance concept. So the stop loss will hit you with less loss and protect your capital. Okay. So don't trade without stop loss. That will be like without protecting us and start swimming in the water without knowing any swimming. Okay. So this is a simple thing, but don't just act as a like a in a beginners in trading, okay, because it's not like just games or any other thing. It is a real money we are investing in the share markets, okay. So we need to focus on our losses first, then only we get the more profits. At least we can protect our capital, okay. So the first point, don't trade without stop loss. Second point, stop loss is like protecting our capital and the investment on trading. Okay. So as I am showing in this charts in this video, you can able to see some candles. Okay. If you are putting your stop loss, it is based on your own risk management only. Okay. Some people have huge money, they will put stop loss in long away. Okay. But for us, it will be limited. Okay, so if you have a star, if you're okay with the stop loss around 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees or 500 rupees, so keep it as stop loss. Okay, but make it as like on the right level, like below the candle or below the support or resistance. Okay, so without knowing, don't enter through the trade. Keep it note for your entry and exit, and put it your stop loss to on your trading journal. Okay, then you enter into trade. Then only you can protect your capital and come out with the best profits. Okay, so this is the thing which I'm sharing here. If any support or any queries, please let me know. We are providing continuous videos on regular basis. Okay, please subscribe and asking your queries on any other topics so I can let you know with upcoming videos. Thank you.